Came out of the garage. I noticed that the Jeep was parked in an unpopular place right behind my vehicle, and so I got out and noticed that there was an abandoned vehicle tag on it.
The bright orange tag made it clear the citation was for a Jeep, the owner, Barbie.
I thought the vehicle was, obviously going to be impounded.
Turns out police have a soft spot for Barbie and her sister. Who left out the Jeep that night?
Autumn.
This little Barbie, otherwise known as 7-year-old Autumn, was busy with school and friends.
I think they left it on the sidewalk. How'd you leave it on the sidewalk?
And more importantly, how did it end up in the road after bedtime? One thing we know for sure is this.
It's run out of batteries.
Not that. Barbie now knows not to leave her Jeep out.
These little girls are very lucky.
Lucky they were not thrown in jail or, even worse, lost their wheels.
If it was blocking someone's driveway, normally we would tow it away.
This time, Dad and his 2 blonde Barbies are, well, getting off easy.
Unfortunately, I've received my share of tickets.
So this is your favorite?
This is definitely my favorite ticket that I've received.
As for police,
We would hope that people would appreciate the fact that we're there in their neighborhood and we're looking out for them and, and their property.